Pusky. Hello, Pusky. Hey, Pusky. It's an unusual spot for you. On the shelf by the front door. Hey, hello. I mean, it's good you're becoming more of interest. For Whiskas, that is. For the Pusky. Used on the cat tree in the kitchen. But still, a bit of a surprise. Hey? It's good to see. Because she's usually very specific in where she is. And her territory, her spot is the cat tree. On the cat tree, in the cat tree. Or under the cat tree. Yeah, it's good. You're a good girl. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Oh, it's good to see. Even though it doesn't seem like a big thing to most people, it's still good to see for me, because at least she's all getting out there a little bit more. It's always nice to see her in a different spot. Hey? Oh, good girl. Yeah. Yeah, the purse. Yeah. With Whiskas, small things, small steps are big things. At least to the humans, because she is very timid and very specific. Hey, yeah, it's a good girl. Yeah, very good girl. Might be because of the front door being open too. It's a way of being tucked away, kind of, but be able to see out the front door. Hey, very likely, hey? Hey, give me fresh air, Whiskas. Hmm? Yeah, it's a good girl, hey? Yeah, good girl. Good girl.